Hi there. Welcome back to After Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardowns of websites and see if we can identify any conversion leaks that we can hopefully fix to make more revenue. Today, we're going to be talking about Grawt, which is simply a marketing software for businesses. Okay. And straight away, we can see that there's a very clear and engaging headline um, stating wrestling with marketing. It doesn't have to be this hard, which, by the way, is a very good imagery. And yeah, it's very clear what this platform does. Also, which is good for the prospects to be clarified on what the service is offered, what service is offered. Also, we can see a very good use of credibility by adding a testimonial, right, about the fault, okay, and here it clearly explains what the software does. Then we can talk about the social proof here. They've got three badges, okay, so this is very important to improve your credibility to the prospects. And these get up on Capterra badges, especially this, they testify that this is a proper software, and the prospect will be happy to see that. Okay, and then they have a lot of text here again. So more social proof by stating how many creators and marketers use this software. They've got another CTA here, and again they've got another really good testimonial. Um, More testimonials here, okay, which is very good. And then let's go some frequently asked questions. So the prospects is clear about the types of um, things the corporation of the company. And I think it's very good. So this is everything. I hope you guys like the video. If you're a B2B SaaS founder and you would like to get my help on increasing conversions, definitely get in contact. And I will see you in the next video.